Apex Racing Center, of course, celebrating the 2015 season of the Pacific Association of Karters. The PAC season is among us right now. February 15th, we'll get started. And somebody else that will get started with us right now is the number 21 car of Joey Romano. And Joey Romano, it is great to meet you. You are driving a kid kart, is that right?
Yes, sir.
And are you excited about the season?
Yes, I am.
All right. And so what are you doing out here today?
Practicing racing.
All right. So you're going to go out, you're going to get a little idea of that driving line. It's certainly great to see you. And you're going to get used to the track, of course, and you're going to get a chance to meet a whole bunch of new friends here today as well, aren't you?
Yes, I am.
Awesome. Well, we are really excited about you. And, of course, you are driving that red car, that C50 over there. Tell me about your go-kart. Do you love it?
Yeah, I do.
How does it handle?
I don't really know.
Not yet. You're learning all the new steps and everything here, and I just want to tell you it's great to see he'll be joining us in the 2015 Kid Kart B class, which is a development series, which is an awesome place to start out here. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Joey Romano.